All right, good morning, Computer Science 1. I hope everyone is safe and healthy. So this kicks off our first week of remote learning, and I'm just going to walk through some of the things that we will be doing, basically the structure and all of that. So the first thing is we want to make sure that you have set up an account on Khan Academy. So you'll see a folder in Schoology labeled for this week, and you'll see a link to join Khan Academy. And basically, this should link directly to the classroom I've set up on Khan Academy. And you'll need to log in. If you have an existing account, that's fine, or create a new account and just use your district Google account for that. The main thing here is to make sure that you sign in and change it from your old default to your student ID. And I want you to make sure you put in your name so I know who you are, so I don't know you by a number. And you'll see Computer Science 1, Computer Programming. In that, you will see that, okay, so here's an example, right? Here's a list. I've got people with names and people with numbers. So those of you that have numbers, you'll need to change that, edit it so it's your name. And then as you sign up, please just make sure you use your first and last name. First and last, okay, that just makes it easier for me to identify who you are. So you're going to be working through this week, and you'll see in there in assignments, this looks different, right? Because this is mine, the teacher one. You're going to see assignments, and what you're going to see is what's been assigned is dealing with functions in JavaScript. So JavaScript, it's very similar to what we were doing with processing. Processing is actually just a slightly different version of JavaScript. So you'll be working through the lesson on functions, and you'll see here it will walk you through. There are videos and then coding for you. And at the very end, you'll see that there's a project you'll do. Okay, so you'll be working through that, and then I will simply be looking at, as you go through, I'll be able to see scores. So I will see as you progress through that. And then this I'll use to transfer over to a score in Schoology. All right, so that's Khan Academy. Let's see what else is on my list here. Oh, office hours. So I will be available, and you will see this in Schoology in the agenda. So right now my office hours are set up for Tuesdays 9 to 10 and then 1 to 2, and Thursdays 9 to 10 and then 1 to 2. And you simply click on this link to Google Meet, and you will join the online meeting, and I'll be available at that time to answer any questions you might have or anything else that comes up. And let's see. Also, you can simply message me in Schoology. All right. The other thing I have done is you'll see in here is there's a discussion board, and you can post things there about with the assignments or remote learning or whatever it might be. Okay, I'll be watching that regularly to make sure I respond. And again, you can message me through there. Also, missing work. So if you have anything prior to when we left school March 13th, you can still complete that and turn it in, but please make sure you email me and let me know that you've turned it in. All right. So that's it for now. Let's go back, and I'll just end on the agenda for the week. And all the links should be there. Okay, there's a link. You'll make sure you join Khan Academy, and then you'll make sure you work through the function sections of JavaScript. And then I'll just be looking through that, and everything should be done. The goal is each week for all your classes is just get everything finished up by 3 o'clock on Friday. Okay, that's the goal. Again, you're going to be working a lot at your own pace. And I hope you join me for office hours and send any questions you might have. All right, so have a great week, and I'll be talking to you.